Hi, welcome to Neppy Invests. So just a bit of an update in A2 milk. So looking at charts today, so a technical update. So if you've been following my videos, you'll know that I'm a long-term holder of A2 milk. No reason to sell out yet for the long term, so I'm looking to hold this for as long as possible until the story changes. The downgrade about a week ago or so was not a change in the story. It was just some challenges they've been seeing in the Daigyu market segment that could change. One little wary thing I am a little bit conscious of is the fact that directors sold out, not sold out, but they did sell a fair bit of shares in between the full-year report and this update, which is a little bit suspicious in my mind. But I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. Just because they're selling doesn't necessarily mean bad things are happening to the A2 milk. And the other reason I am holding is I'm looking at the American market as being the main driver moving forward. So let's get stuck into it. So the release of that downgrade on the 28th of September did see some share price pressure, and that continued for about 4 or 5 days, trading days. And if you just follow that blue line, which is a 100-minute moving average, so what I was waiting for is those moving averages to come together, so the 100, 50, and 20-minute moving averages, which are represented by the blue, red, and black lines, and they came together around about the end of 2nd of October or start of 5th of October, and we started to see a bit of an uptrend in those lines. So good time to buy would have been the 5th of October, around $14.10 if you're more of a risk taker. So definitely, I think the short-term trend has broken, a bit of a shift in sentiment, and I've just mentioned here that $14.50 is a key level of resistance, and my next slide will get into that. So this just shows you that red horizontal line is a resistance line, and the reason it's a resistance line is on the start of trading on 6th of October, which was Tuesday, we did see the share price reach that level and then come off, bounce away from that. And then today, fairly bullish start of trading today. A lot of buyers coming into the market, and it's reached that $14.50 again. And that's just come back a little bit. So I think if it pulls through $14.50, that will be fairly bullish. But if it stays below that and keeps trying to test that, we'll have to wait and see. So short-term trade here would be to buy on the breakout of $14.50. Looking at the long-term picture, so still fairly negative long-term. So long-term negative sentiment still remaining. And if I am going to be buying in short-term, it will be sort of a price target between $15.50 and $16, sort of in the range, this range here. And you can see here, before the downgrade, we sort of got into that range between the 50 and 100, the 20 and 50 50-day moving average, and that would be sort of a sell signal for the short term. A long-term buy signal would see those trading averages moving up. So if you are thinking of buying long-term, there's probably no reason to buy in yet. If you are thinking of maybe a short-term buy, see of a breakout of $14.50, and you could see maybe a 10% gain on that, which is not much. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Otherwise, I'm not a professional advisor, so if you do need professional advice, make sure you seek out an advisor that is professional. That's it all for today. Have a good day.